So this is the chair that's supposed to fix my posture, upgrade my setup, and survive my long editing nights, the HBADA E3 Pro. And after using it for days, I finally understand why people are talking about this chair. I'm alive until the day is dawning. Can throw out all the blues and hit the city lights, 'cause there's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere. The HBADA E3 Pro looks very different from a traditional office chair. It doesn't go for a bulky gaming chair design or overly soft cushioning. Instead, it focuses on a more futuristic ergonomic structure. The first thing you notice is the mesh material. This is important because mesh allows airflow, which means your back stays cooler during long sitting sessions. So if you're someone who edits, studies, or work for hours, this design already gives you an advantage over traditional foam chairs that trap heat and makes you uncomfortable over time. The overall design feels clean, minimal, and built for productivity setup. Now, in terms of build quality, this chair feels solid. There's a noticeable weight and stability when you sit down. It doesn't feel like something that will wear out quickly or start wobbling over time. The wheels move smoothly across different surfaces and the base feels strong even when you recline. But one thing you will notice, the chair is not simple. It has multiple adjustable systems built into it. So while the build is premium, it also means there are more moving parts you need to understand and adjust properly. This is one of the biggest selling points of the HBADA E3 Pro, the lumbar support. The lumbar support is not fixed like most chairs. Instead, it's an adaptive system designed to move with your lower back. So when you lean forward, sit upright, or recline, the support adjusts with your movement. This helps reduce pressure on your lower back during long sitting sessions. When it's adjusted properly, it feels very supportive and natural, but if it's not set correctly, it can feel a bit strong or noticeable on your back. So this feature is actually powerful, but it requires proper setup to get the best experience. The chair is also extremely adjustable. You can customize almost every part of it. The headrest can be adjusted for height and angle to support your neck properly. The armrests are multi-directional. You can move them up, down, forward, backward, and rotate them depending on your deck setup. The seat depth also allows you to control how far you sit into the chair, which helps improve leg support and posture alignment. And then you have the recline system, which is my favorite feature. It allows you to lean back and relax during breaks. All of this makes the chair very customizable, but also means you need time to set it up correctly for your body. One feature I didn't expect to use as much as I did is the footrest, and honestly, this might be my favorite one. It completely changes the chair from a work setup to a relaxation setup. You can recline back, extend the footrest, and fully relax between work sessions. This is especially useful for people who work from home or who spend time on their desk and don't even want to exit their desks. You can just rest, pull out the footrest, and take your break at your desk setup. The recline is smooth and controlled, and it feels stable even when leaned back. Honestly, after using this chair for days, one thing becomes clear. It naturally encourages better posture. Because of the lumbar support and structure, you find yourself sitting more upright without even thinking about it. For long editing or gaming sessions, this makes a big difference in reducing fatigue. But it's also important to understand this is not a soft chair. It's a structured ergonomic chair designed for support, not sinking comfort. So if you prefer very soft sitting, it may take some time to get used to. Okay, so let's talk about the downside of the HBADA E3 Pro. So basically, I feel like the downside I experience is basically just setting it up, and when you want to adjust it, it might be tweaking a little bit because you have to find that perfect adjustment for your sitting position. But apart from that, it's a very good chair. It is not really a budget ergonomic chair. It is around $600, $700, $800, which is kind of really decent for an ergonomic chair that can do all of this, armrest, headrest, footrest. So the price is very, very decent. And yeah, so that's basically everything about the chair. It can, if you're someone who edit videos, you game,
you're someone who work from home, a 9 to 5, you know, customer service, all those kind of things, this is the best chair for you. You know, you can rest, you don't even have to leave your desk, you can just chill, use your phone, rest your back, do everything. So it's a very, very decent chair, and I've been loving it so far. Trust me. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can go to the website and grab yours. I think it's like 700 or 699 on Amazon, which is a solid price. And yeah, so that's everything about this chair. And thank you for watching to the end, and make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. And you know one thing, when you subscribe, you should also turn on the post notification, because when you on the post notification, you get notified whenever I post a new video, and it would really go a long way. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.